Hello and welcome back to Perfectly Tossed. Today's recipe is a very interesting recipe made of rice paper and instant noodles. This is one of the easiest spring roll recipes and actually takes only 10 minutes to prepare. Let's begin with cooking the instant noodle as per the packet instructions. Here I've used Maggi instant noodles, but you can use any instant noodles of your choice. While making the noodles, you have various options like adding onions, carrots, green peas, or any other sauces of your choice. I've added Szechuan sauce here to make it a little spicy. Make sure the noodles are dry and lastly add spring onions. This will be the filling for your spring rolls. Now we'll take the rice paper sheets. These sheets are available in various brands. You can choose any brand of your choice. Start by dipping the rice paper in a bowl of water. Make sure the sheet is well soaked in water, as this is important for it to get a little soft. Now place the sheet on any flat surface. Take some noodles which were earlier cooked and place them in the lower bottom part of the sheet. Take some sweet chili sauce. You can take any other sauce which is spicy. And lastly, some spring onions. Now roll in the bottom part of the sheet first to secure the filling and then fold in the sides. Once you complete rolling the spring roll, you can eat the spring roll as it is. But we are going to shallow fry it, hence we will add another sheet to secure the fillings. Now let's shallow fry the spring roll. Take any normal pan or any grill pan and put some oil. Now place the spring rolls one after the another and cook them till they have light golden color. We can call this a healthier version of a spring roll recipe, as we are shallow frying the spring rolls and not deep frying them like we usually do. You can see that spring rolls have got a nice golden brown color. Switch off the gas, remove the spring rolls on a plate and serve them with soya sauce. If you like this recipe, do like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.